Y'all having people over this summer? Make them this. That mushroom burger, that chicken no chicken sandwich, that fire. First, I gathered some mushrooms from my local market and just start to pull them apart like pieces of chicken so it would fit on my gluten-free brioche bread that I found. And I just season it up with some coconut aminos, some seasonings like garlic powder, pepper, whatever you want to use. All right, I just threw what I had left in my cabinet in there. And then I made me a little bit of chicken fry. Added some cornstarch to it so I get a little bit of crunch on my no chicken, and just added a little bit of water. This will loosen it up so that I've got a wet batter. And then add it to your dry mix. Same bit of seasoning I used for my wet mix. I just didn't add water here. Just coated it to give it a little bit of extra crunch at the end, and then I seasoned it again. Now, you can add a little bit of hot sauce to your wet batter if you'd like, but I like having pieces of the red pepper flakes floating around my chicken sandwich. Now, if you're not seasoning your oil, I've been telling you for years, what are you waiting for? I always season mine with a piece of onion and some red pepper flakes if I want a little bit of heat. All right, go ahead and dunk those pieces of mushroom in there. And they're already browning up beautifully crispy. You can't tell me that don't look like a chicken thigh, right? A platter full of oyster mushroom that feels and pulls just like chicken. Let's build our burger now. Top it with as much mushroom as you like. I'm even gonna add a piece of my trumpet mushroom bacon. And you know I got to add just a little drizzle of secret sauce. Add some lettuce for some greens or tomato or what have you, and there you've got it. I serve this with sweet corn, fresh out of the oven, as well as a pickle spear. This is my lunch, dinner, and when you come over, this is what you're gonna get too. Ain't she pretty? Sugar pearls. Food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.